Kesiannya.
Actually, at least he know. I don't know anyone.
Oh my god!
Neko don't watch K-drama. What do you expect?
Yeah.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Lakawi a lot of people went there.
Ah.
YOLO lah, since all also no more battery kan.
Yay.
Oh my god! Again YOLO.
Sorry.
Then you all follow Bebe what? Not my fault.
Can. See, 1,000 here, 1,002 can.
Hey, the freaking suddenly change direction. Freaking funny, man.
Gee, can. We can make it.
Memang can one lah.
Okay.
Hey yo, hey, is that
Me?
yeah? Yes, that's so far away. Oh my god.
Yeah lah, I just see like, wow, so far, can turn back some more.
That's okay. That guy.
Okay, let's do this. Last game, here we go.
Those of you lah. Kau tu senang. Oh.
Bot.
Wait, how come you shoot me so fast?
Like that. Big bot.
Wow, Bebe strong. Ya lah, go lah, shoo.
Wait, what?
Shoo.
No, you can always have it. I use vector only.
I
I
also
use the
using vector only.
Oh my god, this stupid
GG. Who's censorship?
stupid bot. No, it's me
AKM
lah. It's
there.
me lah.
Yeah. She says she
You
is
ready?
AKM lah.
Have to
I was like,
clear
huh?
away the
Why
bot.
Ajuma shooting out of nowhere and then I see got footsteps.
No lah, it's the bot lah. Just now they knock out one.
Yeah.
Sha-la-la-la-la.
Please give me M4.
Oh, you are M416 lah.
Yeah.
I got M416.
It's okay. I find.
Yeah. This one is QBZ. I'm going to make another cheesecake. Freaking nice at it. That cheesecake.
Wait, yo.
Oi, another
Oh.
bot is it?
No, it's a bot.
Yep. It's a
Okay, I saw him.
cute.
Ui, thả game.
Kanasai, don't hide behind the tree lah, Barbie.
Target, kana side.
Target. 全部人都学你讲话。Target. Yeah.
Target. Hey, stop shooting lah. Oh shit. My dude.
Why?
Literally,
What?
you're taking video.
Upload only.
Upload lah. Takut apa?
Yeah.
I didn't
Hey,
know
what
you're
about the
recording.
goldfish
I
one?
see
Wait.
you.
Nope, not
To
me,
right
you?
now. Why?
Right.
Oh.
Oh, kenapa got M4 tak
Ya ni
beritahu?
Ajuma pencuri.
Sorry.
No lah, just joking.
Oh,
Ajuma, it's okay.
M762. Ilah.
Nope.
Nay.
I got already.
supplies.
You're gonna M4, yeah.
I got supplies.
Yeah, no. Yeah, nobody went.
Got nobody but you.
Aha. Wait, shit. This is recording. This is recording. Oh my god.
Damn it. Anyone extended quick draw? Yeah.
Extended quick draw AR. Me.
Give me 10 ringgit. Oh, it's a bot. Oh, I need some
bot.
It's a mutant. I want the mutant. Ajima, I throw it to you.
Okay. Thanks.
I want the mutant. Yeah. I'm dropping my M416.
Oh, which means that you're 5 or 5.6. Okay.
Yeah. I want another 7.62 gun. Oh.
Yay.
No, it's okay. I got
okay,
4
it's okay.
times already.
Can get it. I got a.
Another bot.
He's shooting me,
Yeah.
the fuck?
Okay.
I need 7.62.
Don't fight. It's recording. It's
GG.
recording.
Yeah, don't fight, it's recording.
I don't care.
I don't
Exactly.
care. I don't care. Like I care.
When I was
Hey, not that one.
boy, my father took me into the city.
Oh, I need a new vest.
See marching band. I need some basic so I can assign. Okay, cool. Yeah, wait, no. Let me get the first aid first.
Oh, you need first aid?
No. I got more than enough.
Okay.
Wait, Mugi, where?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next to the road one.
I just need 7.6.
Hmm.
Anyone want 5.56? That's like.
No, it's okay. A lot now.
Yeah, I got
Ajima,
enough.
you want?
I got
Okay,
enough
wait, let
already.
me. Alright, I'm gonna throw it away then. Let me loot here first.
I left 14%.
Wow, now it's a
Great.
competition whose battery die first. I think Bebe's won. Bebe, what's your percentage already?
No.
He just said no. It's no a percent.
Not so fast.
I need a 7.62 sniper. Yeah, I'm coming on the way.
I'm 6 times, 4 times. Throw it 4 times.
Malaysian on the way.
So let's go. Why the map still so big but left 30 people only?
Airdrop at quarry 2. Airdrop at quarry 2 let wait.
Do you want to turn back then?
Mugi, you should come to us, yeah. Cepat. If you can carry, then
Watch
yeah.
out.
100 meters. Let's go. Are we going to the airdrop?
Bebe, you go.
Okay.
Oh no. Nami, it's up to you.
Oh my god. Albert.
I bet there's a level 3 helmet in the crate though, if you wanna go. Okay, but it's opposite the quarry.
Oh, fucking hell.
The hilltop. I don't think we can go there though. Okay.
It's quite dangerous. Oh, the fog is gone. Hi. Oh, it's a bot. Go, Ajuma, go. bot.
Never mind.
Yee.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Marked an airdrop.
100 meters.
Mark
Nobody go
the
yet.
air.
2 M762. I don't see why not. Nope, I also finding
Nope.
sniper actually.
No.
There's probably one inside the airdrop though.
Marked an airdrop.
You mean
Oh,
one
who
people?
knows
No,
this?
not yet.
Oh, I
No,
only have
nobody go
19%
yet.
left.
Nobody
But
go
Okay,
yet.
let's go. No,
I bet you
Mugi
want to
go.
go, is it? Mm,
Help him get the sniper.
you want me to die?
Bodyguard, more
There'll
like
be a helmet
Impan
there,
lah.
Ajuma. There'll be a helmet there for you. Go, go, go. Yeah. He wants a new helmet.
Yalla.
Ah, you're going ah. Oh my god, leaving me behind. So sad.
Okay lah, that's a big. Hey, there's a crate over here. Did you guys kill someone here on the road?
GG, not us.
Did we?
No?
It's like still lighting, right?
Oh.
No, memang like that one. So if like when you first
Nobody
kill
look,
lighting
is it?
and then it's on top lah, astaga.
Stop! My god.
Let's go. Let's go. Ayo man.
I think we should hide at the house. What's inside? The AWM? MK?
Oh, kitty suit.
Two.
Damn it! Don't have a better helmet.
Because kena curi lah.
I got
No,
supplies.
I went there first. Wait.
I got supplies.
At the lantai.
Oh, the lantai is it?
Oh, that means Kido change the level 3 already, is it?
Yeah,
That's why got level 2 on
legit.
floor. You're slow already lah. Yeah.
Shit.
Yeah. She's
Oh,
someone
damn it! I
so
didn't see
convinced.
this stupid
Don't
Maggie.
have. GG.
What?
Why is everyone in the same house?
Because there's only one house.
One bomb
Yo,
out of
MCO.
GG.com.
MCO. Social distancing, ah.
Hey, social distancing ah.
Hey.
This
Social
corner already got
distancing.
people.
Oi.
Can, try.
Oi.
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 Oi, you guys don't play over here.
Hey, higher ma.
It's a smoke lah.
Another. Try another.
Aiyo, later people be like, why got smoke inside the house? Or no?
Hey, you guys don't anyhow lah.
Another. 1, 2, 3.
I'm going to go out. Social distancing.
Air pollution.
Ah,
The next airdrop is quite far leh. I
Hey,
think we might
go.
need to move.
Bodo. Oh my god.
No, later, if one of us gonna knock out and Mugi is out of smoke, we know
I'm
why.
not going to save your. Yeah.
Oh my god, it's fucking white.
The next airdrop is quite far.
Oi, social distancing lah. Oi.
Social distancing lah, you guys.
Oi. This is
Social distancing.
people around him.
Don't pijak saya lah, you. Ai. What the? Where is that guy? Bodoh. Yeah.
I hope there'll be some random enemy shoot you guys to death. Mine jump too.
Oi! You
What is
using a stupid
blowing up?
fan to hit me.
Mark
Are
the
there
location.
enemies?
Another airdrop.
Yeah, I've been telling since just now. We might need to move to the
I
next
said it's
circle. Is
far away
Ajma.
already. You guys keep on playing.
Next circle might be quite far. we are in circle.
We are in circle.
Nice.
Amazing. Aiyo, the sound is so irritating. I'm using the pen. Hello?
Can deflect. Can deflect enemy bullet nak?
I suggest PUBG make one armor. I can't see what is that. Oh, it's a smoke. Oh, it's a stun. No, it's a
Ready?
grenade. Oh no.
GG.
You know, your merit will minus if I die. You get demerit,
Yeah.
not from pengawas, but from PUBG.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Ajuma kena before.
Yeah, I cannot before. It's like freaking
Holding
funny.
the grenade too long.
Yeah, can you stand on me actually?
Hey, don't come lah, social distancing. I left 10%.
Okay, I think got people at the cliff.
Okay. I left 10%, seriously.
Enemies
No, I
ahead.
have no airplane. I have no airplane. Your mata rate smoke na.
Oi, wow, this one.
Wow, 15% left. Yeah.
I left 10%. I don't. Suddenly, I
Mugi?
don't talk, then you all know.
How many percent left? Bebe?
Let me check. Yeah, should be still.
Because Bebe does not. When we play, he also playing already.
21.
Yeah, a lot. Actually, much more than us. What phone?
Yeah.
Promote sikit.
Yeah. iPhone lah dia buta tu.
Lek kaya.
Kaya, Mina.
iPhone also can charge and play together one. Yeah.
Tapi dia
Yes.
punya iPhone lagi latest.
I'm out of circle.
Wow.
Hii, iPhone apa?
Apa ni budak? So many people left, but why no sound?
Yeah, you just
No,
make some
right?
sound, then confirm got people come already. Yeah. You see the hill?
I think that
Yeah.
housing area near Ajuma might have people.
Confirm got people.
Don't scare me, oh my god.
She'll be the
I'm not
She'll be-
scaring you, I'm just stating the truth.
Yeah lah.
she's the scout.
Door is
No, I'm a guesser.
legit always kena.
Up the hill they confirm got lah. Yeah, you got. I saw
Watch
already.
out.
GG. Don't
Where?
thought one squad.
On the cliff?
Watch
Yeah.
out.
Kill.
That's the only
Okay,
place they
cool.
can be. Got. Yeah,
I
if
saw
you
the blue zone
you
went
don't believe you
away.
can just stand. They confirm start shooting lah. Got just
Yeah.
I'm not surprised if there's people on the cliff.
got
Watch
I saw
out.
one. Clear as they standing there just now.
I think the housing area don't.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay lah, this is the game of who can camp the longest.
We pick one quarry to hide in lah.
Oh,
Fighting! My
Fight.
house also got people already. Not got people, it's Mema got people.
Oh, we are in circle.
Okay, in circle.
We're in circle.
Let me tap it a bit.
So
Best.
happy.
Oh, I
Marked a
saw
location.
the people. They're pro.
Marked a location.
Oh, hi
Marked a
there.
Should we shoot?
location.
Should we shoot?
Someone shot already. I don't see why not. There's two people.
Marked a location.
I saw.
They're fighting each other.
Enemies ahead.
Should I shoot? Oh my god, hey, run away already.
Yeah. If you can shoot, then shoot.
I think 3 teams there, man. Left,
Yeah.
middle, right. Oh, the left is running. The left is dying.
Oh my god, I saw them.
Enemies ahead.
Very nice.
The smoke, there's people. Oh my god, you guys.
Wow, GG. I like the sound. I like fireworks, yeah.
Marked a location. Enemies ahead.
They still need to come here anyways. Woohoo.
Yeah, they still have to come here.
Enemies ahead.
Oh, okay,
No,
at the
Nicholas
boxes.
area, yeah.
2
I
people.
just saw him. Should we shoot?
They're coming. Yep. Shit.
They're coming. Why? Yeah.
Marked a
They're hiding
location.
behind the boxes.
Oh.
Cannot
The
hit
blue
now.
zone, inside the blue zone?
Nope.
Should be
Marked a
inside. Yeah.
location.
They should be inside.
Near to
zone.
me then.
The moment the heal finish, they're gonna start shooting back.
Yeah. But then there's one more person. No.
Yeah.
There's one more person. From the
Can see, yeah.
hill part.
I'll try and see if it's in this quarry.
Yeah, he might be down there. Or maybe he might be at the rock. Who knows? Oh, yeah, that's true. I'm gonna pass baby. Ping. And I'm gonna go to this other people. Nice.
Okay.
Nice.
I throw
Two
bomb also.
more.
Yep.
Oh, I saw.
One more, this rock.
Marked a location.
Oh no, I died first.
Yes!
GG.
Oh, gile.
GG.
So last lap, now we finally won.
Okay, let's see what loots you guys have. Come, I'm gonna show all of my loot. My loots. I'm naked. Except my pen.
Wait, where can?
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Good